The National Assembly's Constitutional and Legislative Affairs Committee has been looking at how laws are made in Wales and what can be done to ensure they are of good enough quality in the future. The committee highlights the advantage of pre-legislative scrutiny as not only an opportunity for the Welsh Government to satisfy the Assembly that a proposal is ready to be introduced as a bill, it is also an opportunity for stakeholders to contribute early to the policy development process. Concerns were also raised about the amount of time and opportunity Assembly committees were given to examine bills. The National Assembly is a unicameral legislature, meaning that laws are scrutinised and debated in a single chamber, whereas at the UK Parliament, bills are considered by both the House of Commons and the House of Lords, allowing for more in-depth scrutiny. The committee therefore believes that the addition of a compulsory report stage would add value to the scrutiny process and lead to improvements in the quality of law the Assembly produces. Finally, the committee believes laws should be easier to understand with clear language, particularly in a bill's explanatory memorandum. Consolidation of the Welsh Statute Book, meaning legislation in a certain area is not spread across multiple acts, and easy access to legislation. Currently, it considers there to be a gap between what is commercially available and what the general public can see.
Here in the Senedd chamber, we make the laws that have a direct impact on the people of Wales in really important areas like human organ transplantation, in many other fields, education, housing, local government, public services. All these things really matter to the people of Wales. So we need to make the best laws possible. And to do that, we need to ask people much more about what sort of law they want, what sort of policy changes they want, why we should do things differently in Wales to what's done in England, Scotland or in Northern Ireland, for instance. So we want better consultation. We want the government to respond to that consultation so that people know the ideas that have been taken forward or the ones that have been found not to be so practical. And we also want clearer law. Law should not be hideously complex. It should be accessible to the interested citizen and to organisations active out there in the various public services and other fields. These are just some of the key areas in our report. I do hope you will look at it and tell us what you think, because by doing that, you will help us make even better laws in the future.